So hey guys, today in this video I will show you how to install Tubi TV app on your Amazon Fire TV. So let's start it. So first of all, go to Amazon Fire TV setting menu, and after go to setting menu, now go to device and software option, and now go to developer option here, and click app from unknown sources. Just click on it and click to turn on. After the turn on, go to your Amazon Fire TV home screen button, and now go to find option here, and you can see here the search icon. Just tap it and type here just D. After the type D, you can see here the downloader. So click on it, the downloader, and you can see the orange icon app of the downloader app. So first of all, install this app on your Amazon Fire TV. After the install, you can see the first interface of this application, this like here. And just type it here, enter the URL and search term. So type here bit.ly slash app2b app tuby. Just type this link. After the type this link, now click the go button and wait for the connecting, and you can see status connecting. So just wait for it, the downloading this app. So after the connecting process complete, it will automatically downloading. So wait for the status connecting. So you can see status connecting now complete, and you can see the file downloading progress here. So wait for the this app downloading. After the download, I will show you what is the next option here. So our file almost be download, and install button, now click install. And after the click install button, you can see look like this interface here. Tubi, do you want to install this application? It does not require any special access. So just install and click cancel option here. So just click to install and wait for the installing file complete here. So after the installing process complete, your Tubi TV app in the install in your Amazon Fire TV. So wait for the installing process complete. After the installing process complete, I will show you the first interface of the Tubi TV app. So now just click to done here, and after the done here, now click to delete. So after the click delete, and now click again to delete, and this file has been downloaded and installed successfully. So now go back to your Amazon Fire TV home screen button, and now click to your app option. After the click the your app option, now you can see here the Tubi TV app. So wait for the here the app is interface here. So here you can see Tubi TV app now successfully installed the app. So just click on the Tubi TV, and you can see the first interface of the Tubi TV just like here. This is the first interface of the Tubi TV app. You can see the first interface of here. Now this is the your Tubi TV free movies and TV show app. So this is the first interface of the Tubi TV. So now just click to here the skip option, and you can see the continue as a guest, and you can see lots more movies and TV shows like this is here. So if you want to download this app, so just follow the my step, and you can download and install Tubi TV on your Amazon Fire TV, and now enjoy. So I hope you all guys like this video. If you like this video, share this video of your family and friend. Thank you for watching.